Ever feel like math is just a bunch of random rules you're forced to memorize? Let's change that. Look at this expression. These brackets aren't just random symbols, they act like a protective wrapper. They pack everything inside into a single, unified team. Think of the number on the outside as a friendly delivery person. They have to deliver a package to every single term living inside the house. First, 3 multiplies x. Next, that same 3 goes to deliver to the positive 2. 3 times positive 2 gives us a positive 6. No tricks, just fair distribution. We pull down our results to get our completely opened expression, 3x plus 6. What happens when two separate houses multiply each other? Everyone from the first house has to step across and greet everyone in the second house. Let's look at the first terms. We multiply the firsts to get x squared. Then the outers x times 5 gives 5x. The inners, 3 times x gives 3x. And the lasts, 3 times 5 gives 15. We get 4 distinct terms line up. But look closely at the middle. 5x and 3x are like terms, they speak the exact same mathematical language. Because they are the same type of term, we combine them effortlessly. 5 plus 3 gives us 8x, clean, simple, and beautifully organized. Now, don't panic when a third bracket crashes the party. Math is all about breaking big, scary problems into small, familiar steps. We can only multiply 2 things at a time anyway. So, let's ignore the last bracket for a moment. We expand the first 2 brackets exactly like we did before, which gives us this quadratic expression x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now we bring back that third bracket. To keep from getting confused, we will multiply our new big expression by the components of the small bracket one by one. First, let's multiply everything by x. That gives us our first row of terms. Next, we multiply everything by the positive 4 to get our second row. Notice how we align the matching terms vertically. Now we just read down the columns. The x cubed stays as it is. 3 plus 4 gives 7x squared. 2 plus 12 gives 14x. And the constant 8 sits at the end. When an equal sign appears, the game changes. An equation is a perfectly balanced scale. To find x, our first goal is to expand the bracket to free the hidden terms inside. Expanding the bracket gives us 6x minus 3 equals 21. Now, we want to isolate our x term. To get rid of that minus 3, we must apply the exact opposite operation, add 3 to both sides. The scale stays perfectly balanced. Now we have 6x equals 24. To undo the multiplication by 6, we divide both sides by 6, leaving us with our final answer x equals 4. Fractions look intimidating, but here is a secret: you can clear them completely in step 1. Look at our denominators, 3 and 2. Their lowest common multiple is 6. We multiply every single term on both sides by 6. Watch how this acts like a universal key to unlock and destroy the fractions instantly. 6 divided by 3 leaves us with a multiplier of 2. 6 divided by 2 leaves us with a multiplier of 3. Look at that, the denominators are completely gone. From here, it's a breeze. Expand carefully, watch out for the double negative on the second bracket, collect your terms, and solve. X equals 9. Perfect, logical, and under control. No magic tricks, no mindless memorization, just clear steps and logic. You've completely mastered brackets. If this made sense to you, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment with what topic you want to decode next, and come hang out with us at the cafe. See you next time.